Hello and welcome back to my channel Code with Abhi. Today we are going to learn how to implement Firebase push notification inside Laravel using the Firebase new version 1 API using the service accounts. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we will open our Firebase console, go to our project. Okay, and in this project settings, cloud messaging, manage service accounts. Inside the service account, click on this one. Okay, if you don't have, you can create a new one. Because mine is already created, it's fine. And just give the name, then permissions. Here we have to give permissions of Firebase admin SDK. Okay, Firebase management service master, like that. Okay, then click on the keys, click on create new key, JSON, create. You will get one key. Okay, okay, this is the key. Now I will show you how to implement. Okay, let me just copy it to my project. The current project is in Laravel Filament, so I'm going to create a new folder, Firebase, and paste the file, and I will rename it to Firebase this. Okay, composer require locality. Okay, let it get download. Okay, so it's installed. We can just check our composer JSON, Google API client. Okay, so now I'm going to use the one I have developed already in my previous project. We will paste the code somewhere for you guys. So here, after filament resource notification, create notification. Here we will paste the code. Okay, Google Client settings. Google Client will be use Google as Google Client. Okay, we'll put DD1 as to check if the create record is working or not for you guys. Okay, sorry. Test. As you can see, test image is null and topic is out. Okay, so it's working fine. Now here is the path where we have kept the Firebase JSON. So I had made folder of Firebase, and inside that Firebase I will change this Firebase and Firebase JSON. Let's see the contents we are getting on. Okay, we are getting the link. So it should be working fine. Now access token. Token. Okay, this will get the access token and it's putting in here. Topic I will just let me just check the topic in the project. Shall it's that. So currently I'm going to use the sham as the topic and I'm going to send. Here I have to change the project ID. The project ID I will get from project settings, project ID. Okay. Now let us send our notification. It it's showing this, so it means the our notification is going successfully. Okay, now I am logged in my admin panel, and here I am going to send a new notification. So let's say test 1 and topic is all, and let's create. You see the notification has arrived. So that's all for today's video.